Just a quick video showing you an important upgrade to the knobs on the Rambler American. As you can see here on the left, you have the original plastic knob. I'll zoom in there. And over time, it wears out, and well, as I usually say, plastic is the biggest disgrace on the face of the earth. I hate plastic, and as usual, as expected, eventually there's like a little clip that would hold it on there, and eventually that little clip just wears itself out or falls out, or in this case on this side, the plastic itself just it just gets rounded. So I got a piece of stock brass, a round bar, and I took it to the lathe and I grounded, or I turned it to a shape that I like. And as you can see, this one is much longer than it would have originally been. That just gives it a lot more surface area to grab on, so it will no longer this will last forever, eh? So I just thought I haven't had the time to sand it down real nice, and it's just one of those things. It's a mechanic's car. It's never 100% finished, but I thought it would be interesting to show you guys that. Once again, why plastic is garbage.